Land Rover has teased the next generation Range Rover ahead of its global debut on the 26th of October 2021. The 5th generation Range Rover will replace the outgoing model that first arrived way back in 2012, and the teaser promises an evolutionary design language on the new offering. The latest leaked images also confirm the same, while the model will grow in proportions and features. The new generation Range Rover will be the first Jaguar Land Rover offering to be based on the new MLA architecture. The luxury SUV will arrive in both standard and long wheelbase versions, and it will also feature rear wheel steering on certain variants. The new platform will be able to accommodate plug-in hybrid and fully electric powertrain options. Engine options are likely to include the BMW-sourced 4.4-litre turbo V8 on certain variants, while the fully electric version will only arrive in a few years from now. MG Motor India officially began accepting bookings for the Aster SUV earlier today, and the company has sold out the model for 2021. MG India had previously confirmed that it aims to deliver about 5,000 cars by December 2021, and the company seems to have received orders up to the same figure. Deliveries for the first batch will commence from November 1st onwards, while the company expects waiting periods to improve in 2022 as supply chain issues are sorted out. The MG Aster has been launched with a competitive price tag starting from 9,78,000 rupees, going up to 17,38,000 rupees for the Level 2 ADAS equipped variants. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. The model also comes with AI-based personal assistant, while power comes from only petrol engine options. The Aster competes with the Volkswagen Tiguan, Skoda Kushaq, Hyundai Creta and the likes in the segment. The world's largest two-wheeler maker by volume, Hero MotoCorp has become the first major two-wheeler manufacturer to adopt Ather Energy's proprietary fast-charging connector technology for electric scooters. The Bengaluru-based startup had made its fast-charging connector design public for other manufacturers to use in a bid to standardize the charging infrastructure in the country. Hero has taken up the offer and is likely to implement the same when it enters the electric scooter segment next year. Ather Energy is also helping the two-wheeler giant to incorporate connector design in its e-scooters to reduce development challenges. Hero MotoCorp will be entering the electric scooter segment in 2022 and has already partnered with Taiwan-based company Gogoro. The new development will not only help standardize charging connectors on scooters, but will also give customers access to a wide charging network across the country.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.